约翰福音第5章第22节23节，父不审判什么人，乃将审判的事全交于子，叫人都尊敬子，如同尊敬父一样。不尊敬子的，就是不尊敬差子来的父。阿门。John chapter 5 verse 22 to 23. For the Father judges no man, but has committed all judgment unto the Son, that all men should honor the Son, even as they honor the Father. He that honoreth not the Son honoreth not the Father which has sent him. Amen.